say. I welcome each and every one of you. Thank you so much for your time.
Here we are. Like I said, this is a beautiful incubation possibility center, a room that is made for people, by people, and in the interest of people. Very, very few organizations invest in people, in their interest, in their growth, in their aspiration, and there is a dedicated space for it. We are fueling possibilities in human. We don't believe that human is a resource. However, they're full of possibilities, and once you guide them, once you show them the path, then sky is the limit.
Welcome to the Creative Pod. This, you'll find us brainstorming, strategizing, and ideating on this table to come up with creative ways of presenting Repos to the world. We're forever learning from our creative differences, and this place is designed in such a vibrant way with its unique lighting and paintings and nature around us, so that it fuels possibilities and creativities in every individual in this space. Fun place to work, right?
Hi everyone, welcome to our bay. Here's the team that forms the financial spine of Repos that binds the ecosystem together. Here we are, Repos FinServe. We provide relevant economic financial products for our customers so that they can fuel their needs, fueling possibilities not only for our customers but also for everyone out here.
Welcome to the heart of innovation and technology, where big ideas come to life. Our workplace is vibrant with a lot of greenery all around. We are developing amazing technology that revolutionizes how energy is transformed and distributed by pushing all the boundaries of what is possible.
Welcome to our R&D lab. So this is where Repos houses its IoT tech team. We are a bunch of hardware engineers as well as firmware engineers. The room speaks for itself. This is where our hardware engineers design and develop electronic components. And these are the firmware engineers who give life to these devices by programming them. In a nutshell, we not only fuel possibilities, but we help develop them.
Welcome to our workspace. This is where success happens. We describe our workspace as energetic and collaborative, and also fostering strong dealership partnerships. We are fueling possibilities by qualifying leads, conducting impactful meetings, and closing deals.
Welcome to the Customer Success Workstation, or what we like to call it as the Operations Control Center. So we are known as the linchpin of the whole ecosystem. And what we usually do is speak to our customers and partners and ensure 100% fulfillment of product and fuel orders. By now, you would have understood that we usually have a very hectic and a hustling day. But thanks to the vibe and the infrastructure of our office, it keeps us motivated and always high on energy. Last but not the least, we're responsible to provide a wonderful customer experience by understanding what one wants.